Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you're watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this all right to take your decision. Your whole like will motivate me to be regular in working hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in a 15-minute time frame here. So here you can see how the natural gas futures started to move upward on February 23rd from the levels of 4.444. From here you can see that how this trend was a steep trend up to the levels of 4.686. So friends, here I find that this is the immediate resistance for the natural gas futures, because here I find that the natural gas bulls could turn aggressive from these lower levels as the US troops are advancing towards Kiwi, and they have already defied the sanctions what the US president issued on February 24th. So friends, here I find that the Ukraine crisis could finally decide the further direction move of the natural gas futures, because currently I am expecting more sanctions from the European countries. If the Europe comes forward with more and more sanctions on Russia, then I find that the natural gas futures could test the lowest $5, because here I find that shortly we will see what the European action could be there on Russia's advancing troops. Because here I find that if the natural gas futures find a breakout well above the immediate resistance at $4.551, this could be very decisive for the further direction move. Here I find that if the natural gas futures find a sustainable move within next few minutes well above the 26 days moving average and sustain here up to 9:45 a.m., we'll see the formation of a bullish crossover here in a 15-minute time frame, where a sudden surge can be seen in natural gas prices. And here I find that the next resistance can be seen for natural gas futures at the 200 days moving average, which is currently at $4.660. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a breakout well above the 200 DMA well before 12:15 a.m. in today's move, we'll see this uptrend to continue, where the weekly closing could be very decisive for the natural gas bulls, because here I find that if the natural gas futures find a breakout well above the final resistance at the levels of $4.959, we'll see this uptrend to continue during the upcoming week, because this weekend could be very decisive for the final action by the NATO countries and the US, as the Russian troops are still advancing to capture Kiwi. So here I find that the next 2 days could be very decisive for the natural gas futures, because here I find that if the natural gas futures find a weekly closing well above the levels of the 4.9, we'll see this uptrend to continue during the upcoming week, because here a sustainable move well above the next psychological resistance at $5 will finally decide the further direction move for the natural gas futures during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that we should concentrate over the next move at 12:15 a.m. today, and the final closing level will be very important for the further direction move on the first trading session of the upcoming week, because here I find that the further hard sanctions on Russian economy will create a steep surge in natural gas futures. Here I find that more sanctions could keep this uptrend intact in natural gas futures during the upcoming week, where I find that the natural gas futures could start the upcoming week with a gap up opening well above the levels of the 5. And on the other side, I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to defend the level of the 4.444 in today's trading session, this sliding move could continue up to the next support at the levels of the 4.388, from where a sharp reversal can be seen in today's trading session. So friends, here the volatility could be extremely higher in today's trading session. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.